Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're asking how to retrieve a Wi-Fi password for a network you're not connected to. I can assist with actions that bypass security or enable unauthorized access. Once done, understand that the appropriate route is to get explicit permission from the network owner. Make sure to request guest credentials or ask the owner to temporarily share the password. If you manage the network, I can explain how to view saved networks on your own Android device or reset a router safely. Tell me which of those you need. If you can't get direct permission, focus on legal options. Connect to a public hotspot, use your mobile data hotspot, or ask the business for guest access. If you own or administer the router, log into its admin interface with the device's credentials and view or reset the Wi-Fi password there. Once done, make sure to change default admin passwords and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption to keep the network secure. I can walk you through safe, step-by-step router or Android settings usage if you confirm ownership. I can't provide instructions for obtaining someone else's Wi-Fi password, but I will help you with legitimate tasks. For example, I can show how to view network details on an Android you own, or how to reset your router and set a new WPA2/WPA3 password. Once done, make sure to back up your router settings and write down the new credentials in a secure place. If anything goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify you have administrative access, and if needed, consult your ISP before making major changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.